So before proceeding, look for the small triangle mark, the small mark here. Small mark here. Make sure it do not point up or point down. Points to this direction, and the same direction like the handle. Crop inside and get the cable gets through here. Okay. Connect the cable to the back panel. Again, we can hide the connector inside here. And inside the back panel. Okay. And now we can put in the fabrics. The lock comes with a management card. To add fingerprints, you will need to use it. So let's put the card in here and put finger. The finger will be added to the lock. And to end adding, just tap the card again. So let's see.